What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Today we're going to be making a Greek chicken orzo bowl. We just mixed up a little marinade for our chicken. We're actually not going to marinate it today because we don't have time. We're just going to put it on top. But this marinade is made up of garlic, olive oil, oregano, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and cumin.
We went ahead and butterflied the chicken, so cut it in half. And we just dipped it in the sauce, put it into the baking sheet, and then we're going to pour the rest of this sauce over top of them. We're going to put the chicken in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, while our chicken's cooking, we're going to go ahead and get our orzo pasta started. It doesn't take very long to cook, and so we're going to get our water boiled and put it in. Getting that pregame snack in, buddy? A little just tomato in for you. Is it yummy? Ready, dude? Oh, you want more? Chill, chill. You got your own. You got your own.
Here, I'll cut you one for your other hand.
Ooh, gonna double fist a tomato. Whoop whoop. Oh yeah.
So we are going to cut up some veggies here for a little Greek village salad. So we just got some tomatoes, a little bit of red onion, and some cucumber. And then we are going to mix that with a little olive oil, vinegar, and salt and pepper. All right, so for our village salad that we're gonna make real quick, we're just gonna combine all of our chopped vegetables into this bowl here. You want to make sure your red onions are chopped pretty finely. And then we are going to add a little bit of vinegar. If you have lemon juice, that works too. A little bit of olive oil. And then some salt and pepper. And we're just going to mix this up. For our tzatziki sauce, we are going to add just 1 little cup of Greek yogurt. We are going to add some minced cucumber. You can also grate the cucumber if you want to. We're gonna add a little bit of dill. Always gets all over my fingers. A squirt of lemon juice. That is all we have. And then some salt and pepper. And then we'll just mix this up as well. You want to help? Oh, good job. Good helping. Good job, Bubba. Yeah, you want to try? Okay, you can try. Do you like it? Is it pretty good?
All right, we're gonna go ahead and build our bowls. So we started off with just a bed of orzo. We're gonna do that. We're just gonna add some chicken on top of that. Add about, I mean, depending on how much you want, but we're gonna add our village salad on top of that. You can see all the colors coming to get together, and then we're just gonna top that off with tzatziki. And then we'll mix that in and go ahead and eat. All right, y'all, thanks for watching.